Glossary, page 4, Physics 10th class. Question 1. What is a lens primarily used for? Answer: concentrating or dispersing light rays. Question 2. What is a logic gate? Answer: a building block for digital circuit. Question 3. Which of the following is a type of logic gate? Answer: A AND gate. Question 4. What type of wave is a sound wave? Answer: longitudinal wave. Question 5. What is the unit of a magnetic field? Answer: Tesla. Question 6. What are mechanical waves responsible for? Answer: transfer of energy through a medium. Question 7. Microscope is used to answer view objects invisible to the naked eye. The moving coil galvanometer used for answer measuring small electric currents. Question 9. What is mutual induction? Answer: changing current in one coil inducing current in a. Question 10. What is natural radioactivity? Answer: spontaneous disintegration of unstable atomic nuclei. Question 11. What is a neutron? Answer: particle with no charge found in the nucleus. Question 12. What is noise pollution? Answer: unwanted and disturbing sound. Question 13. What is nuclear fission? Answer: splitting of an atom nucleus. Question 14. Nuclear fission involves answer: combining two or more nuclear atoms from a heavier nucleus. Question 15. What is nuclear transmission? Answer: conversion of one element into another. Question 16. What does the nucleus of an atom contain? Answer: protons and neutrons. Question 17. What does Ohm's law state? Answer: voltage is inversely proportional to current. Question 18. What is an oscilloscope used for? Answer: analyzing electronic signals. Question 19. Periodic motion refers to motion that repeats in answer equal period of time. Question 20. What is a photophone used for? Answer: transmitting sound using light. Question 21. What is photographic enlarger used for? Answer: enlarging image on a photographic plate. Question 22. What is potential difference? Answer: difference in electric charge between two points. Question 23. A power transformer is used for transferring electric power between circuits without changing frequency. Question 24. What is primary memory in a computer? Answer: a component that stores current data and programs. Question 25. The unit of magnetic field is? Answer: Tesla. Question 26. What is manual induction related to? Answer: electric current interactions between coils. Question 27. Periodic motion is demonstrated by? Answer: swimming pendulum. Question 28. Noise pollution can cause? Answer: environmental disturbance. Question 29. What happens during nuclear fission? Answer: light nuclei fuse to form a heavier nucleus. Question 30. What is the purpose of a logic gate? Answer: enable combination in digital circuits.